In the farthest corners of South America, where Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana meet, lies a mountain that seems carved out of dreams or perhaps another world. This is Mount Roraima, one of the oldest formations on Earth, standing proud and mysterious for more than 2 billion years. Its shape is unlike any mountain you've seen: a vast, flat-topped plateau surrounded by 1,000-meter-high vertical cliffs, as if someone sliced off the top of the Earth with a cosmic blade. And on top of that plateau, a world that time has forgotten. Rain falls here almost every single day. The constant mist and storms carve deep channels into the sandstone, forming rivers, pools, and waterfalls that plunge into the jungle below. They call it a Tepui, an ancient table, top mountain from the time when South America and Africa were still one. Each Tepui is like a biological island, isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. The top of Mount Roraima is home to creatures and plants found nowhere else on Earth. They're carnivorous pitcher plants that trap insects in rainwater pools, tiny black frogs that never learned to hop because they never needed to escape predators, and moss-covered rocks that shimmer like jewels after a storm. Scientists believe some of these species haven't changed in millions of years, preserved by the mountain's isolation, like a natural time capsule. But to the local Pemon people, Mount Roraima isn't just a geological wonder, it's sacred. They call it Roraima, meaning mother of all waters. In their legends, this mountain was once the trunk of a mighty cosmic tree that held all the fruits and crops of the world. When it was struck down, its fall brought great floods, and the rivers that flow from its base still carry that ancient story. Even today, standing near its cliffs, locals say they can hear whispers in the wind, the spirits of their ancestors guarding the mountain. For centuries, Europeans believed Mount Roraima was impossible to climb its vertical walls too. Steep, its summit unreachable. That changed in 1884 when British explorer Everard Thurn led an expedition through the Venezuelan jungle. After weeks of brutal rain and hardship, he discovered a natural ramp on one side and finally reached the summit. What he found up there left him speechless. A vast landscape of strange rock formations, pools of crystal, water, and eerie silence like stepping onto another planet. News of the discovery spread fast and soon inspired the imagination of writer Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. In 1912, he published The Lost World, a tale of explorers who find living dinosaurs atop an Itries Ninetales Intaxlof, isolated plateau. That mythical setting, directly inspired by Mount Roraima. Even modern scientists admit, if dinosaurs ever did survive somewhere, Roraima would have been the perfect hiding place. Today, a few brave trekkers still make the journey days of hiking through thick rainforest, steep climbs, and icy winds. But those who reach the top say it's worth every step. Up there, above the clouds, surrounded by silence and ancient stone, you feel small. And you realize this isn't just a mountain, it's a living monument to Earth's forgotten past. Mount Roraima, where science meets legend and the sky touches the soul. Like, share, subscribe to explore more ancient wonders.